Today's video, we're going to be changing the ballast on this 2012 Acura TL. It used to be on that side, but the ballast shorted out because it got moisture in it, and it shorted out, popped the fuse, and it went out. We troubleshot it. It wasn't the bulb because the bulb worked fine on both sides, and when we tore down the bumper and got to the ballast, we saw that it's corroded, which I'll show you right now. And so once we saw that, we knew that the ballast was bad. Ordered a new one. Here's our new ballast. So now we're going to go ahead and replace it. And first thing we're going to do is take off the bumper. First thing we're going to do in the engine bay with the hood pop is take off these 4 10mm. And we're starting off on the right side of the bumper. There's a screw right up in here that you're going to have to take out. There's an access panel. And then there's these 2 clips that are holding the inner splash shield to the bumper. And I just have a little pick to get behind it. And that's enough for the inside of the wheel well. Now we go under the bumper. And under the headlight, you're going to go under the car. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, and then 4 bolts that you're going to take out. These are also 10mm. So as you can see, the bumper is loose on this side. So now we can go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Now, with nothing holding this side, all there is just stick these little pressure clips inside that hold the bumper on. Just trying to grab it, pull it out. You kind of want to push up at the same time against the fender, and then it helps you remove these clips. So now with the bumper disconnected from its normal spot, but resting on this step, there's 2 clips, 2 electrical connectors that you got to get out. So for reference, I didn't put the right side ballast back in when I was troubleshooting, but here are the 3 mounting screws. 1, 2, 3. They're number 3 Phillips heads. Here's the wire that comes from the fuse box. And on the back side of this ballast is the wire that goes to the headlight. Go ahead and take those off, and then you can replace your ballast. It's already disconnected from mine, so now you're just going to see the install. So here's the wire that goes to the headlight, and then here's the one that comes from the fuse. We're going to just remove the headlight itself. And to do that, there's 2 10mm on top, and then a 10 in the front, And there you go. We've got a working headlight back. So that's good. Of course, that one's not going to work because we need a fuse for that. But now we're going to go ahead and put the bumper back in and call it good. Alrighty, so that is how you change a ballast on these Acura TLs. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.